You leave the office, but you never actually leave. You close the laptop, but your brain is still writing emails at the dinner table. You aren't resting. You are just buffering until tomorrow. This isn't just annoying. It is biological. Your brain has lost its stop button. In a physical office, the commute signals safety. In remote work, your living room is now a war zone. If you don't fix this, you don't just burn out, you lose your identity. You become an employee who sleeps, not a human who works. You don't need willpower. You need neuroscience. Here are the 4 hacks to manually override your brain's work mode. The fake commute. Your brain relies on spatial transitions to switch gears. When you work from bed, your brain maps rest to stress. Stop it. The fix? Walk out your front door. Walk around the block. Walk back in. That 10-minute loop tells your hippocampus, the hunt is over. We are back in the cave. The Zeigarnik Effect loops unfinished tasks in your subconscious. It's why you worry about that report while watching Netflix. The fix? The shutdown ritual. Write down the exact 3 steps you will take tomorrow morning. Once it's on paper, your brain marks it as handled and releases the RAM. The digital air gap. Your phone is a slot machine for cortisol. If you check Slack one last time at 8 p.m., you re-trigger the anxiety loop. The fix? Physical separation. Put the work laptop in a drawer. Put the phone in another room for 60 minutes. If you can't see it, your amygdala stops scanning for threats. The sensory override. Work has a smell, a light, and a feeling. Home needs one too. The fix? Change the input. Change your clothes immediately. Sweatpants are the uniform of freedom. Turn on warm lighting. Play music that never plays during work hours. Force your nervous system to recognize a new environment. Remote work is a skill, not a setting. Amateurs let work bleed into life. Pros build a fortress around their peace. Don't be the employee who lives at the office. Be the leader who knows when to go home. Unplug. Recharge. Dominate. If this helped you reclaim your evening, drop a lightning bolt emoji in the comments to let me know you're unplugged. If you want more tactics to grow your career and transform your life, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel right now.